Welcome to this quick demonstration of the Wonderland Editor workflow. The Wonderland Editor will feel very familiar if you already know a 3D content creation tool or a 3D development platform. On the right here, we have a bunch of properties, for example, changing meshes and materials. In the center, we have the scene view, and on the left, we have a scene outline where we can select objects. For example, the sunlight. We can focus it with F and modify the lighting in the scene. We can easily enable advanced lighting features like shadows in the settings of the light. And finally, if we hit the green button at the top, Wonderland Editor will launch a browser window for us, and the fully packaged project will load here. For this scene, we added a script that explodes the scene whenever you click the canvas. Mostly just to show off that Wonderland Engine is able to render many objects due to its optimizations without sacrificing any flexibility. Locating the script in the editor, we can see that it exposes a few variables. We can change these parameters and then package, and the browser will automatically be reloaded and reflect the new settings. In this case, we just sped up the exploding to make it a little bit more snappy. We can, for example, also change the strength of the explosion and maybe make it a little bit slower again. After packaging, the browser will automatically reload and we see the changes reflected. These rapid iteration cycles make it very fun and very fast to work on not just configuration of the scripts or positioning of objects, but also working with code, as demonstrated next. In this case, we're finding where the direction of the explosion is set, and we're removing two axes to be left only with the y-axis, giving an equally fun effect. If we save the script, Wonderland Editor will again detect this change and automatically reload the browser for us and reflect the changes to the script. Wonderland Editor is also equipped with tools to manage your assets and optimize your assets. The editor also comes with a profiler. The runtime can collect data from any client, whether VR, AR, or mobile device. And it helps us debug issues like here we have very high GPU time, and we can reduce the cascade count to immediately see the GPU time drop. We can even reduce the GPU time further by removing shadows entirely, for example. And we got immediate feedback that the performance on the GPU has doubled. Changing the background or adding a sky is a matter of changing the rendering settings and then just packaging to see the changes reflected in the editor. And here we just add another object which contains some text. We have industry standard text rendering thanks to slug text rendering. And we can see that it stays crisp up close and maintains legibility at a distance. Finally, if we package, the browser will automatically reload and show our newly added text. And finally, if you want to publish your project, you can just upload the files from the deploy folder to any web host. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Wonderland Editor workflow, and if you're excited about what you saw, please check out Wonderland Engine at wonderlandengine.com. It's free, and join our Discord server for free community support. See you there.